ExitLag versus NoPing, which one wins? Choosing the right gaming optimization tool can completely change how you experience online gaming without frustrating lag spikes. Both options offer unique benefits tailored for gamers. ExitLag and NoPing are two popular tools designed to enhance online gaming performance. The core difference lies in their approach. ExitLag focuses on optimizing routes to reduce latency, while NoPing emphasizes stable connections and minimizing packet loss. ExitLag is a powerful tool that optimizes your internet connection for gaming by selecting the best routes to the game server. It works by analyzing multiple paths and dynamically adjusting your connection to reduce latency and packet loss. One of its strengths is the ability to support a wide range of games, making it versatile for various gamers. ExitLag also features a user-friendly interface, allowing easy setup and configuration. However, it may require a subscription for full access, which could be a limitation for some users. Ideal for competitive gamers who need every advantage, ExitLag is designed for those who prioritize low latency and fast connections. NoPing is another robust gaming optimization tool that focuses on ensuring a stable connection while minimizing packet loss. It works by rerouting your connection through optimized servers, providing a smoother gaming experience. One of its notable strengths is the ability to offer a wide range of server locations, allowing users to select the best option for their specific game. NoPing also includes features like a built-in game booster and ping reduction tools, enhancing overall performance. However, some users may find its interface less intuitive compared to ExitLag. Ideal for casual gamers and those who experience frequent connectivity issues, NoPing is a solid choice for anyone looking to improve their online gaming experience. When comparing ExitLag and NoPing, consider real-world scenarios. If you're a competitive gamer who requires minimal latency, ExitLag's ability to dynamically optimize routes may be more beneficial. For instance, if you're playing a fast-paced shooter, the reduced lag can significantly impact your performance. On the other hand, if you often face packet loss or unstable connections, NoPing's focus on stability and multiple server options could provide a more consistent experience. Both tools have their trade-offs. ExitLag excels in latency reduction, while NoPing shines in connection stability. Your choice should depend on your specific gaming needs and the challenges you face. For competitive gamers seeking the edge in latency reduction, ExitLag is the recommended choice. For those prioritizing a stable connection and minimizing packet loss, NoPing is the ideal solution. Both tools offer unique advantages, so choose based on your gaming style and requirements for the best experience.